Oh, beautiful, Katie.
Look at Gabby. Oh, I like yours. You look good.
Doug's got it.
I can wear that to work.
Oh.
What is that, princess?
A shopping cart.
Look how she's going to get every little piece of paper. Pretend croutons.
Here, give this to your mommy. She'll put it in there. That's a good shot, Gabby.
Oh.
Yay! What is that?
Cool.
Shopping cart.
Here, baby.
You want to give that to Daddy to put together?
Daddy, there's one more.
Gabby.
Oh, that's on the ground.
Hey, Gabby, say thanks, Nana. Thanks, Papa. Hey.
Gabby. Say thank you, Nana. Say thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.